All right, we just got this. Let's unbox it. See what the heck's going on here. All right. Does come with instructions. You may need those. QR code. Pop this top off. Oh, wow. There it is. It's pretty, oh, this thing's heavy. I gotta get it out of there. Oh my God. All right, got it. Here it is. That's the unboxing. All right, what the heck we got here? Let's take a look. There's their website and people to call if you need assistance, I guess. Or I mean email. All right, here we are. It's got a box of, looks like a charger and a USB. Environmental protection, health, durable, easy to clean. Stainless steel. I don't know what this is, but let's look. Looks like it's the, oh yeah, so this is where the water is going to come out. Whoops. And you may need this for something. I don't know. Let's set this over here. All right, what do we got here? All right, so this is a portable thing here. We'll have to go. We're going to have to read the instructions because this looks complicated. All right, what do we got here? This is the unit itself. Pop it out. There it is. And I guess this purifies your water. I think that's what it does. It even has a compass on top. And I think you could take this with you on a camping trip, and so that you don't have to worry about drinking water. But yeah. Raw, pure, dirty. There's a light there. It's got some technical things here. Nothing really on the back. It's got on, off. And down here is where I think you're going to hook all your stuff in. The raw, pure, dirty. So I guess you put the, I don't know. We're going to have to read about this thing, man. This thing is crazy. All right, so we've got some work to do to figure this out. And, but that's everything that comes in the box. All right, check out my other videos where I put this thing together and try it out.